Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out on a video on InShot. So basically, the video is going, and let's say you want to zoom in on the car here, right? So I'm going to go to split, and then since it's already selected on this, I'm just going to zoom in here.
Wait, I think.
And then from here, I'm going to split again. So then from here, it's going to go from here to normal.
Wait, I think.
It's going to zoom in, and then from here, well, take this from here. Gonna zoom in.
Wait, I think.
It's gonna zoom out. So that's how you zoom in and you zoom out. So basically, just split the object, zoom in, or zoom out, however you want to do it. But you can zoom in, then go from here, then split out, and then zoom back in. Then it's back to normal again. So zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Just like that. Just splitting it and move it and move it out. And that's how you get to it. All right. If you want to know more about InShot, definitely leave a comment, like, subscribe, and then we'll go more in depth in this. All right. Peace.